Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
How about the rest? Why don't you do the rest? Go on. I guess not. A woman's work is never done. Okay, Alexis. Is that good? Oh, that's a little one just for you. All right. Put them back. Oh, okay. What else did you find back there? The Lindbergh baby? What do you think?
Fold them.
Very nice.
I know just the running.
You're terrific. You're just like your mother at cleaning. Doing a great job. Fantastic. Okay, all finished. Finished? Yay! Very good. Oh, she's perfect.